why minimal access surgery. Have you ever thought about this? Why minimal access surgery? Why some amazing human beings came up with this idea? See, let me tell you one thing. Minimal access surgery is a philosophy. It's a mindset. It's a way of doing things. Some amazing people came up with this idea, this thought that why do I have to perform the surgery like everybody else? Why don't we make small holes? Why don't we go in and do the surgery in as less by causing as less trauma as possible while creating the access? Let me use the technology that I have at my disposal. And because of those amazing individuals, today we have laparoscopy, hysteroscopy, falloscopy, salpingoscopy, all of this. So that is the importance. Like I told you, it is already rewriting all our textbooks, all our guidelines, and it is very important, and that is why minimal access surgery is important as of today. That being said, let us look into the academic part of it. When I say why minimal access surgery, you have to be able to answer what are the advantages, what are the merits of minimal access surgery. So to make it easy for you guys, let me split it into patient factors and surgeon related factors. The advantage to the patient, the advantage to the surgeon. Coming to merits of minimal access surgery from patient's perspective. It's already there in the name, minimal access surgery. So if I'm doing or causing less trauma during access, the response, the inflammatory response that my body mounts to the trauma will also be less. So I'm disturbing the homeostasis very mildly. So there is no inflammatory response. If there is no inflammatory response, there is decreased post-operative pain. If there is decreased post-operative pain and inflammation, there is faster recovery. And if there is faster recovery, there is shorter hospital stay and hence a faster discharge. You would have heard or seen in your wards that patients are getting discharged 12 hours after surgery. There are patients who are getting daycare and they are getting discharged on the same day. Even people with extensive surgeries are getting discharged in 28 to 48 hours. So that is the beauty of minimal access surgery. Number one, reduced trauma during access. That leads to reduced inflammatory response. Therefore, minimal homeostasis derangement. Therefore, short hospital stay as there is decreased post-op pain and inflammation. So in total, a faster recovery. This might seem like just a point on this notebook, but for today's women, this is very, very important. Most of them are from working class, or most of them are having a very pivotal role in their family. Most of them are homemakers who are playing a very pivotal role in their family, and without them, the entire family falls apart. So they all look for something which gives you quick recovery and a faster recovery so that they can get back to their day-to-day routine. Next thing. Do you think we are the only ones who have minimal access into the abdomen? No. Guess what? Even the microbes, the pathogens also have minimal access into the abdomen. So that's an advantage for us. There is lower risk of infection, which is a very good thing. Next, lesser adhesions, because there are very small scars. This point is again going to be very important given today's age and today's era. Cosmesis. Because there are smaller incisions, it is better, there is better cosmesis. And I would like to quote one of my professors here. He always used to say that in the initial days, big incisions meant big surgeons, but today, smaller the incision, greater the surgeon is. That is how important minimal access surgery is. Next point might seem a bit confusing, but I'll make it clear for you. Laparoscopy is actually reducing the cost of treatment. You might say, sir, you talked about application of technology, and technology comes at a price, isn't it? You have to pay for all the advanced electrosurgical units, you have to pay for your instruments, there is separate camera, HD camera, 3D camera and all of that. But how am I saying that the cost is reduced? See, there is a very important concept called as loss of opportunity cost. Whenever a patient gets admitted into the hospital, not only the patient but his or her family members are also with him. There is a guardian with him, and now both of them are not working. As long as they stay in the hospital, they have to pay the fees of the hospital, also the fees for the guardian who's staying outside, his food, his accommodation. Also, you might miss your job if you're a private worker, a businessman. While you're not working, you're not generating any income. This is called as loss of opportunity cost. So having faster recovery and faster improvement in the patient status leading to shorter hospital stay will always bring down the cost of treatment. Don't only think about the cost of treatment at the hospital. Think how much you are saving with respect to the post-op period. You are spending less on your medication. You are recovering fast. You are spending less on your dressing. So this is called opportunity cost. So if there is decreased loss of opportunity cost, you save more. So that is how minimal access surgery is actually giving proper, better care at a reduced cost. So I think these are enough factors which would have convinced you why laparoscopy is being opted by most of our patients as of today.